sign means attention vipers. Well, I hope we don't meet any of them today, but actually it's interesting why most vipers are so venomous. Snakes evolved from lizards, and the majority of lizards, poor things, are not exactly strong nor big. Their physical properties don't make them too alarming in the animal world, so they needed to evolve in order to survive. They made use of a variety of antipredator adaptations, such as camouflage or venom. Then, a good selection of snakes, such as vipers, inherited the ability to produce venom from lizards, their ancestors. They use these venoms for two primary purposes. The first is for foraging, where venom helps the snake to overpower its prey before eating it. And the second is for self-defense, and that's for potentially predators. Two crucial aspects of survival in the animal world. Now, using venom is a natural approach that is pretty successful. With it, even vulnerable animals can become exceedingly dangerous species. This strategy is not a one-time recipe. It works each time it is replicated. When you see a snake, you instinctively think, is it dangerous? Is it venomous? It doesn't take a lot of brain power to know that serpents mean warning, and it's best to get out of their proximity as fast as you can. Now, let's take a look how this can be interpreted to digital transformation efforts. Innovation is highly praised in almost every industry, let alone in digital. But some businesses fall into the trap of trying to innovate every aspect of their organization, hoping that this will solve their problems. It won't. And besides, excessive innovation can be both inefficient and infeasible. The key to success is to differentiate yourself on a couple of crucial aspects that really matter to your audience, and not to be completely different or unique in every element. Imagine wanting to go through the process of a newly discovered e-commerce site, only to find out that each step of the regular process has been changed entirely. You would feel quite confused and maybe even a little frightened to go through the purchasing process. Constantly reinventing the game will not only drain your own resources, but your audience also might not appreciate your efforts if the innovation is not valuable for them. Choose an aspect of your business to refine and innovate, an aspect where you can turn your weaknesses into strengths or where you can really stand out. Here's a basic example: customer support. That is a typical domain where your business can either be very good, satisfactory, or terribly deficient. If it's good, there's no need to further innovate for the time being. Look at the viper. There's no need to innovate the fact that its body is covered with scales. That's already a strength. Scales trap moisture in dry climates and reduce friction as the snake moves. Nothing to do here. However, if your customer support is bad, that's a weakness, and you definitely want to find a way to make it better. Just as vipers evolved to be venomous so that they can get their prey or defend themselves from other predators. That's where innovation comes in. You can do a number of things to level up your digital customer support, and one of the most obvious would be to incorporate automated customer support solutions into your offer, such as self-service portals and knowledge bases, standardized email replies to customers, chatbots, live chat, and virtual assistants can all be feasible ways to go. You just need to be carefully choose which one would best suit your business model. So here's a little takeaway. Replicate strategies that work just as nature does, and keep your digital innovation efforts efficient and goal-oriented by turning your weaknesses into strengths.